Welcome, dear viewers, to the world of frugal living for modern college students. In this realm, we will embark on a journey to discover the secrets of savvy budgeting and unveil the hidden gems of cost-effective hacks that will help you make the most of your college years without breaking the bank. As the cost of higher education continues to rise, it's more important than ever to learn how to stretch your dollars and make every penny count. But you might ask, is frugal living synonymous with being cheap or sacrificing your lifestyle? Absolutely not. In fact, as you'll soon discover, frugal living can be a thrilling adventure, an exciting game of maximizing your resources and finding creative solutions to everyday problems. With that in mind, we invite you to join us as we explore the realm of frugal living and uncover the hidden treasures that await the budget-conscious college student. From cooking your own meals to finding deals and coupons, we'll uncover the secrets of saving money without compromising on your lifestyle. So, without further ado, let's dive in and discover the magic of frugal living for modern college students. Hack Kon. Cook your own meals instead of eating out. Let us begin our quest for frugal living with a delectable hack that will tantalize your taste buds and fatten your wallet. Cooking your own meals. Gone are the days of relying on overpriced campus dining options or succumbing to the temptation of takeout. Instead, we will unveil the culinary wizardry of whipping up scrumptious meals with minimal effort and cost. With a little bit of planning, a dash of creativity, and a pinch of resourcefulness, you can prepare meals that are not only delicious but also budget-friendly. From easy pasta dishes to stir-fries, the possibilities are endless. Why spend a fortune on dining out when you can create a culinary masterpiece in the comfort of your own kitchen? Not only will cooking your own meals save you money, but it also gives you the power to control the ingredients and make healthier choices. So don your chef's hat and let us embark on a gastronomic journey of culinary delights, all while keeping your wallet plump. Hack 2. Shop at thrift stores and garage sales for clothes and home decor. Let us delve into the realm of second-hand shopping, where the key to unlocking hidden gems and fashionable finds lies in the art of thrifting. From vintage clothing to unique home decor, thrift stores and garage sales offer a cornucopia of options for the budget-conscious shopper. With a keen eye and a bit of patience, you can unearth treasures that are not only stylish, but also wallet-friendly. Not only is thrift shopping a cost-effective option, but it also promotes sustainability by reducing waste and supporting the circular economy. So, let us embark on an exciting excursion of hunting down fashionable finds and being mindful of our impact on the environment. Gone are the days of breaking the bank to stay trendy. With thrift shopping, you can look good and feel good about your choices. So, grab your reusable shopping bag and let us set off to explore the wonders of second-hand shopping. Hack 3. Use public transportation or bike instead of driving. Shall we embark on a journey of discovery where we shed light on the magic of leaving the car at home and embracing sustainable modes of transportation? From buses to trains, public transportation not only saves you money on gas and car maintenance, but also reduces your carbon footprint. And for those who prefer the great outdoors, biking is a fantastic option that is not only cost-effective, but also promotes physical activity. By leaving your car at home, you'll save money on gas and car maintenance, and you'll be doing your part to reduce traffic congestion and air pollution. So, why waste money on gas and contribute to the traffic woes when you can hop on a bus or bike and enjoy the scenery while saving money? The choice is yours, dear viewer. Will you join us on this journey of sustainable transportation? Hack 4. Take advantage of student discounts and free events on campus. Embark with us on a journey of discovery as we uncover the hidden treasures of discounts and free events that are available to college students. From discounted movie tickets to free concerts, there are a plethora of opportunities for students to save money and have fun. Many businesses and organizations offer student discounts, so be sure to always ask and carry your student ID with you. Additionally, many colleges and universities offer a variety of free events on campus, from lectures and workshops to concerts and cultural events. So why spend a fortune on entertainment when you can take advantage of the many discounts and free events that are available to you as a college student? So join us on this adventure as we uncover the hidden gems of student discounts and free events and make the most of your college experience without breaking the bank. Hack 5. Use apps and websites to find deals and coupons. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel, Embark with us on a journey to uncover the digital realm of savings, where a plethora of apps and websites await to help you save money on everyday purchases. From groceries to clothing, apps and websites offer a wide range of discounts and deals that can help you save money without compromising on quality. Whether it's a coupon code or a flash sale, these digital resources are a valuable tool for budget-conscious shoppers. Moreover, many of these apps and websites also allow you to track your spending and set budgets, which can be a great way to stay on top of your finances. So, why spend a fortune on everyday purchases when you can use apps and websites to find deals and coupons that will help you save money? Join us on this journey of digital savings and discover the power of technology and budgeting. Hack 6. Buy and sell textbooks online. Embark with us on a journey to unearth the secrets of saving money on textbooks, where the power of the internet and peer-to-peer transactions awaits. From online marketplaces to textbook rental services, there are a plethora of options for buying and selling textbooks at a fraction of the cost. By taking advantage of these resources, college students can save hundreds of dollars on textbooks each semester. Not only does buying and selling textbooks online saves money, but it also promotes sustainability by reducing waste and supporting the circular economy. So, why break the bank on new textbooks when you can save money and support the environment by buying and selling them online? Join us on this journey of savings and sustainability as we uncover the power of the internet in the textbook market. Hack 7. Cut back on cable and streaming services. From over-the-air TV to streaming platforms that offer a wide range of free content, there are many alternatives to cable and streaming services that can save you money. By cutting back on these subscriptions, you can save hundreds of dollars each year and still have access to a wide variety of entertainment options. Additionally, many libraries also offer free access to streaming services and ebooks, so be sure to check with your local library for more information. So, why spend a fortune on cable and streaming services when you can access a wide range of entertainment options for free or at a fraction of the cost? Join us on this journey of cutting back and discover the alternatives that await. Hack 8. Live with roommates to split rent and bills. As we venture further into the realm of frugal living, let us unveil the 8th hack, living with roommates to split rent and bills. Embark with us on a journey to discover the financial benefits of sharing a living space, where the key to savings lies in the art of dividing and conquering. Living with roommates can significantly reduce your living expenses, allowing you to split rent and bills and save money. Not only that, but it also allows you to share household responsibilities, which can be a great way to reduce stress and save time. When it comes to finding roommates, there are many resources available, such as online roommate, matching platforms, social media groups, and even college housing offices that can help you find a compatible roommate. So, why bear the financial burden of living alone when you can split the cost and share the responsibilities with roommates? Join us on this journey of communal living and discover the financial benefits of sharing a living space. Hack 9. Make your own cleaning products. Embark with us on a journey to discover the power of DI cleaning solutions, where the key to savings and sustainability lies in the art of self-sufficiency. By making your own cleaning products, you can save money, reduce your environmental impact, and ensure that the products you use are safe and non-toxic. From all-purpose cleaners to laundry detergent, there are a variety of homemade cleaning solutions that are cheap and easy to make. Not only will making your own cleaning products save you money, but it also allows you to control the ingredients, making sure that you're not exposing yourself or your loved ones to harmful chemicals. So why spend a fortune on commercial cleaning products when you can make your own using ingredients that you probably already have at home? Join us on this journey of self-sufficiency and discover the power of dye cleaning solutions. Hack 10. Use a budgeting app to track your spending. Embark with us on a journey to discover the power of technology and budgeting, where the key to savings lies in the art of tracking and monitoring. By using a budgeting app, you can keep track of your income and expenses, set budgets, and receive alerts when you're close to overspending. This can be a great way to stay on top of your finances and identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Moreover, many budgeting apps also offer features such as goal setting, investment tracking, and debt management, which can be a great way to stay organized and reach your financial goals. So, why struggle to keep track of your finances when you can use technology to make budgeting easy and accessible? Join us on this journey of digital budgeting and discover the power of budgeting apps in managing your finances. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebooks. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life. From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs, to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment, we cover it all. Order our ebooks via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.